First up, let's get you the latest in the shocking Pune murder case. Remember, this is a case of death initially. That's what it was thought, an case of accidental death involving a young 26-year-old man who was about to get married, Ketan Agarwal. But now it's been revealed that the death was actually a cold-blooded murder planned by his fiancée. And Ketan's father has hit out, and he says that we suspected foul play from the first day, that we want justice. Both the accused have now confessed to the murder. It was Ketan's fiancée, Sia, who he was to marry in just a few days' time, who actually planned the murder along with her boyfriend, Chetan. Let's take a look at what the father had to say.
18 जून 2026 को मेरा 26 साल का लड़का लोहगढ़ फोर्ट से गिर के देहांत हो गया। हमें जब पता चला तो हमें ये लगा कि वो पैर फिसल के, जैसे हमें सिया गोयल ने बताया था उस हिसाब से पता चला, लेकिन उसके बाद के बिहेवियर से और कुछ सर्कमस्टेंसेस से ये पता शक आने लग गया था कि ये कुछ सीधी सीधी बात है नहीं। माननीय श्री संदीप सिंह जी गिल साहब ने, सुपरिटेंडेंट पुलिस ग्रामीण ने, उन्होंने हमें बहुत मदद की। पूरे उन्होंने ताकत लगा के बहुत जल्दी इसका पूरा केस का तपास निकाल के और आरोपियों को गिरफ्तार किया है, जिन्होंने दोनों आरोपियों ने अपना गुनाह कबूल किया है कि उन्होंने केतन को मार के नीचे फेंका है।
All right, a heartbroken family there. The father asking for justice, saying that they suspected the fiancée, Sia, from day one. Remember, it was a tragic case, initially thought to be an accident, where this young man fell from the Lohagarh fort, where they had gone trekking. He had gone trekking along with his fiancée, who later told the police that he had slipped while taking a photograph and died. But now, after questioning both the girl Sia as well as her boyfriend have confessed to the crime. Let's listen in to what the grandfather had to say.
लड़की वालों के हमारे संबंध 35 साल से हैं, इतना प्रेम है। अब बताओ, अगर 35 साल के जो याराला है, दोस्ती है, एक जगह बैठते थे, और क्या चौकसी करेंगे? इससे ज्यादा चौकसी कर नहीं सकते। और ये सारा जो खेल है, इन सबको परिवार को मालूम था कि बच्ची का किसी के साथ लव है, और उसमें सबसे ज्यादा उसके बुआ रेनू और उसके फूफा नरेंद्र, इन दोनों का हाथ है। इन दोनों ने ही प्रेस करके रिश्ता लेने को लगाया है। मेरे को 10 टाइम बोला है, तुम चिंता मत करो, बहुत अच्छी लड़की है, बहुत शांत लड़की है, मैं जवाबदार हूँ। और क्या जवाबदार है, कोई मुंह भी नहीं बताता। मेरे तड़बड़ है, मेरे बुढ़ापे का सहारा से लगा, मैं विनती करता हूँ माननीय जज साहब से भी और मुख्यमंत्री जी से भी, ये जल्दी से जल्दी इसके निर्णय हो के इन दोनों को तो कम से कम मौत की सजा हो।
All right, so let's go across to NDTV's Anuj for more on this entire story. We just heard the heartbroken grandfather there speaking. And Anuj, give us more details. Now the father is saying they suspected foul play from day one. Why is that? And also, how did the police realize it was not an accident, that Ketan did not slip from the fort and die, that he...
Coming to the interesting point on how did the police reach from point A to point B into their investigation. On June 18th, when this unfortunate incident unfolded, it was Sia, of course, who was the only person who police thought was present at that very spot. And then, listening to her testimonial, they wrote or they registered an ADR, that is an accidental death report, immediately. Whereas, when the police carried on the investigation further on, where they had gotten a little suspicious about the movement or about the inconsistency provided by Sia in her statement, that is when they zeroed down upon the fiancée, that is Sia Goyal's friend, and who is also believed to be her partner, Chetan Chaudhary. And after interrogating Chetan Chaudhary and Sia Goyal, the police later were able to get this confession from their end that it was in fact both of them who had conspired to push this individual down the Lohagarh fort. The earlier timeline suggests that Sia had invited her to-be husband, that is the 26-year-old Ketan Agarwal, for a trek at Lohagarh. But a point of difference here is that while Sia stated that he was trying to click a picture and then he fell down the slope, which was at least 400 meters deep, and as a result of it he ended up losing his life. The police also found out that Ketan was not new to trekking. In fact, he had been a regular trekker for all this while. He was an experienced trekker, which is why the fact that he died just, he unfortunately died just by slipping while taking a picture is something that was at the root cause of police's suspicion. And later on, of course, the investigation and the eventual interrogation let them, got them exposed to even more details. And the fact, as where it stands as of today, is that the two individuals, they attempted to kill him and eventually succeeded in doing it. Now, why did they do it? From what the police has recorded up until now, the police state that the two individuals thought that Ketan Agarwal was proving to be an obstacle in their relationship. As we know, Sia
Right, Anuj.
married.
Right, Anuj, this is a very, very tragic and shocking case, but one wonders, what do we know about, the families? We do know that Ketan belongs to an industrious family, or there were property agents there in Pune. It was a very well-to-do family, and Sia as well perhaps came from a similar family. So one wonders why she agreed to this marriage if she was so unhappy, and why would she have to turn to something as drastic as murder, leaving Ketan's family absolutely heartbroken?
Well, both of these individuals, as I said, come from an affluent family in Pune, which is why the fact that the matchmaking had the family's role, or the family's role was pretty strong in getting their matchmaking together. Now, what exactly was the nature of this relationship, and whether Ketan was aware of the fact that there was a third individual in this duo, is something that the police is also trying to figure out at this given point of time. And why was there a need to go to this extreme step? That is also something that the police is trying to make out. As the case stands today, the police is primarily looking at chalking down the scheme of things, or the timeline of the actual events as they happened on June 18th. And secondly, what they're also looking at is whether there was the presence of any third individual besides Chetan Chaudhary and Sia Goyal in this entire matter, or was it only these two individuals? That is something that the police is looking at. Also, if you see what the grandfather said, there were of course other intermediaries who had played a part.
Right, Anuj, sorry to interrupt you there. We now have, Sia Goyal, the fiancée who's now accused of murder. We actually have an Instagram story that she had shared mourning her deceased fiancé Ketan Agarwal, in fact expressing grief over his death. Remember, at the time they thought it was an accident. That is what it was projected to be, an accident when they had gone trekking. Let's take a look at the video.
Sorry. Flex. Yes, your flex is the best. ये तो अच्छी लगी मुझे
उधर देखिए
Then I love that you're not smart, you're street smart. You're smart. You're sensitive also. You care a lot. And not just for me, for everyone. और तू तो मुझे मोटा करके छोड़ने वाली है।
हाँ, वो तो है। इधर रखे।
मैं आगे सबसे पहले और तब से मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि कब खाऊं। And those are only for me.